Hello, good morning students. In the last video lecture, we discussed the characteristics of monopolistic competition. Large numbers of sellers. For second and most important characteristics is product differentiation. Okay. Then importance of selling cost, different prices for different sellers, control over prices, and concept of group. These are the main characteristics of monopolistic competition. Monopolistic competition is a situation where there are fairly large numbers of sellers and they are engaged in the production of differentiated products. The products are close substitute of each other. They are not perfect substitute. They are similar. So there is an importance of advertising expenditure. Every firm tries to increase its sales by advertisement, by publicity, etc. तो ऑब्वियसली अगर उसको ज्यादा सेल करना है तो प्राइस को रिड्यूस करना. तो सिंपल. So in monopolistic competition, the average revenue curve or demand curve is downward sloping. Simple. That because firm has to reduce price, firm has to lower price to sell additional unit. So it is downward sloping. And when firm sell additional unit by reducing its price, average revenue and marginal revenue fall. But marginal revenue falls more rapidly than average revenue. So this is marginal revenue curve and this is average revenue. Now the demand curve or average revenue curve of monopoly market and monopolistic competition is similar. The just difference that in monopoly, the average revenue curve is less elastic. You can see, and it is more elastic. This is the difference. Okay, this is the average revenue curve, AR curve of perfect competition, and this is AR curve of monopolistic competition. बाकी सब similar है. Okay, so एग्जाम में इतना याद रखना कि this in monopoly the AR curve or demand curve is less elastic. In monopolistic curve it is more elastic. Okay, because firm has to reduce price to in monopoly market में क्या है कि monopoly में single firm है. फर्म थोड़ा भी प्राइस रिड्यूस करेंगे तो उसको प्रॉफिट मिलेगा. सो इन मोनोपोलिस्टिक कंपटीशन फर्म हैज टू रिड्यूस प्राइस. सो वी विल डिस्कस फर्स्ट. फर्म इज अर्निंग सुपर नॉर्मल प्रॉफिट. द सिचुएशन व्हेन एवरेज रेवेन्यू इज ग्रेटर देन एवरेज कॉस्ट. ओके, सो एक्स एक्सिस रिप्रेजेंट्स आउटपुट, वाई एक्सिस रिप्रेजेंट्स प्राइस. वी ऑल नो व्हाट आर द essential condition of equilibrium of a firm in perfect competition or in monopoly and in monopolistic competition. Okay, marginal revenue must be equal to marginal cost, and second, marginal cost curve should cut marginal revenue from below. These are the essential condition. These are the basic conditions of equilibrium. Okay, so this is marginal cost. Okay, this is the point where marginal cost and marginal revenue are equal. Yeah, so OA output price, OM output, and suppose this is B. Okay, how to write? X axis represents output, Y axis represents price. P is an equilibrium point where marginal cost and marginal revenue are equal. Firm produces OM output at OA price. So अपना output कितना है? OM. Okay, equilibrium. Now what is the situation? Average revenue is greater than average cost. It means average cost is less than average revenue. अगर average cost average revenue से कम है तो average cost curve should below average revenue. This is average revenue BM. तो हमारा this cost. Okay, we have to draw cost like this. Average cost A, B, C and D. So as we can observe from diagram, when firm produces OM output, average revenue is equal to BM. Average revenue कितना है? BM. Because B is on revenue point, revenue curve, B point, and it produces OM output. So BM is average revenue. Cost पे कौन सा point है? C. So CM. एवरेज कॉस्ट इज CM. सो पर यूनिट प्रॉफिट कितना है? BC. Per unit profit is, this is average revenue, this is average cost, so this is profit, per unit profit. मगर हमको पर यूनिट प्रॉफिट नहीं, टोटल प्रॉफिट जानना है. सो BC इंटू OQ मतलब ABCD हो जाएगा. सो इन आवर डायग्राम टोटल रेवेन्यू ऑफ द फर्म इज OABM. टोटल रेवेन्यू कितना है? OABM. टोटल कॉस्ट ODCM. total revenue, total cost ODCM. This is profit, cost. This is revenue. This is cost. So this rectangle क्या हो जाएगा? Is considered as profit. Clear? Okay. How to write? X-axis represents output. Y-axis represents price. P is an equilibrium point where marginal revenue and marginal cost are equal. Firm produces OM output at OA price and this is an equilibrium output. As we observe from diagram that average revenue is equal to, in producing OM output, average revenue is equal to BM, average cost is equal to CM. Here average revenue is greater than average cost, so firm is earning profit. In our diagram, rectangle ABCD shows profit. Here average revenue is greater than average cost, so firm is earning super normal. Okay, thank you. आज के लिए इतना रहेगा. Thank you very much.